So today I have a new meal plan for you. This one I'm calling the fall meal plan because these recipes are, of course, perfect for fall. We got some chili in there, but chili with a twist, roasted vegetables, a lot of good stuff. And not only am I going to show you how to make these recipes, I'm going to show you how to mix and match them so you don't end up eating the same thing every day. This meal plan shouldn't take you more than an hour and a half. Perfect for busy people, perfect for new moms like myself. The baby is screaming in the background. So you can imagine how it's like for me to meal prep. It's gotta be fast. Oh, by the way, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. We'll wait. Okay, subscribe and leave a thumbs up because of course you want to see more meal plan recipes and videos like this, right? So thumbs up. Okay, now we can get started. To start, we're making our beets. Add whole unpeeled beets to the Instant Pot and pressure cook for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of your beets. Once they're cool enough to handle, slip the skins off under cold running water. With these, we're making a delicious beet salad. The dressing we make for the beets can also be used as a salad dressing for lettuce and greens throughout the week. In a jar, combine lemon, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, mustard, and olive oil. Shake until combined and voila! To make the beet salad, dice red onions, cube the beets, and combine both in a bowl with fresh parsley and the dressing. Season with salt, pepper, and cumin seeds. You'll notice that this is better with thyme as the beets have time to marinate in the dressing. Next up, roasted vegetables. Peel, seed, and cube butternut squash. Then cube sweet potatoes. Toss them with olive oil and sprinkle on salt and pepper. Roast at 375 degrees for about 35 minutes. You can use other veggies in place of these if you'd like. Okay, now for the lentils. This recipe comes from Rainbow Plant Life's awesome vegan Instant Pot cookbook. Straight into the Instant Pot, add lentils, garlic, oregano, cumin seeds, thyme, a bay leaf, black pepper, salt, water, and veggie bouillon paste. Pressure cook for 6 minutes and let it natural steam release for 10 minutes. All good vegan meal prep should have at least one lentil recipe. They're so nutritious and versatile and easy to make. Check out the link down below. There's going to be a blog post. There's also going to be a PDF with all the recipes, the mix and match ideas, and a shopping list, of course. By the way, if you haven't been already following me for a little while, I'm going to be sharing these meal plans every week. So this is this week. There'll be another one next week. It's not going to have a video like this one, but make sure you subscribe to my newsletter so that you can stay abreast of new developing meal plans. Also follow me on Instagram because I post about it there as well. Okay? Because I just want you to be healthy and eat healthy and just make your life a lot easier. So stay tuned for more meal plans. Now we're going to make a simple tofu curry. It's nourishing, it's filled with veggies, it's great. Warm your favorite cooking oil on medium-high heat. Then add garlic, ginger, and onion, followed by bell peppers. I got these brilliant purple ones at the farmer's market. Add salt, followed by curry powder, coriander seeds, and cumin. Stir that with the veggies and allow it to toast a bit. Now add the diced tomatoes and stir. Then add sweet potatoes, white potatoes, tofu, coconut milk, water, and salt. Bring it to a simmer and then cook it on medium heat for about 20 minutes with the lid on, or until the potatoes are tender. Add greens. I'm using beet greens, and then add salt and season to taste with more salt and curry powder. I love cauliflower, so how about cauliflower walnut chili? I got this idea because I love cauliflower walnut crumble in tacos and burrito bowls. Chop cauliflower and then put it into the food processor along with toasted walnuts and salt. Pulse until it's the size of rice. In a large pot, warm oil and then add garlic, onions, and bell pepper. Then add cumin powder, cumin seeds, and chili powder. Add the cauliflower grounds and stir. Cook that for about 3 minutes. Then add beans, tomatoes, and water or vegetable broth. Cover and cook on medium heat at a simmer for about 10 minutes. Add the vegetable bouillon paste or cube. Skip this if you're using vegetable broth. Season it to taste with salt. Lastly, we need to make rice. To make the perfect brown rice in the Instant Pot, combine 2 cups of rice and 2.5 cups of water, plus a bit of salt and oil. Pressure cook it for 24 minutes and then let it natural steam release. It's perfect every time. That rice is great with the curry and the chili. So let's talk about containers for your meal plans and everything you prep. I like using glass containers. They're great because they're, one, easy to clean. They don't store the smell of whatever you've put them in. So like if you have plastic containers and you always put curry in there, well, eventually that plastic is gonna start to smell like curry. So I also have some weck jars. I typically use these to store my grains and my beans, but they also come in handy for storing food as well. And of course you can use good old ball jars too. These are cheap, they're great, and you can also reheat them. Okay, and another thing, now this is a plastic container. These are from Rubbermaid Brilliance collection. These are my favorite plastic containers. They do not leak at all. I'll put links to all these down below, but these don't leak at all. This one is broken, that's the only thing. That's another thing about plastic. They have a tendency to break, but so does glass, so what do? Just make sure you have good containers because it's gonna make meal prep a lot easier and a lot more exciting when you open your fridge and you see all your containers in front of you and they're shiny and clean and full of delicious food. That makes me so happy. Okay, now let's talk a few combinations. You can make a bomb bootable with the massaged kale. Massage it with the dressing that you have left over from the beet salad, rice, lentils, roasted vegetables, the beets, and then top that with a sauce, like this chipotle tahini sauce. If you want more greens, make a salad. Again, massage kale with the beet dressing. And then toss it with the roasted veggies, beets, and lentils. And top it with pumpkin seeds for a little crunch. And you can always make lentil tacos. Top with store-bought salsa and avocado, or a homemade guacamole, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. You could even make tacos with the roasted veggies, or stir the roasted veggies into the chili. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this meal prep is exactly what you're looking for this fall. Like I said, I'm gonna be sharing meal preps every week on my blog. So make sure you subscribe to my newsletter and follow me on social media, especially Instagram, so that you are in the loop when I post a new meal prep. The videos, I'm gonna try to do these every month, but again, the meal preps, the PDFs, the recipes, all that, That's gonna be a weekly thing from now on. I know that it's helpful for me, so hopefully it's also helpful for you guys. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Let us know which thing you wanna try first. Thanks so much for watching and being so patient with my little baby Jay in the background. See you guys next time. Bye.